Hey guys, this is Ferdinand talking from Kevin's Truck. You like to see a real huge place? So come on over to DEZLCAM and you will see. Yeah. This is day 5 on the truck and I keep on wondering what will happen today. I think we are going to make a long distance because we like to reach Denver latest, I think, on Sunday.
Yellow light, ABS light?
Yes, it went yellow.
Turning lights.
Also those blinkers.
Yeah, blinkers now. Brake lights, you can see the ABS light
Yes.
first. There.
Yeah.
Brake lights.
Here we go.
Those lights get bright when you hit the brakes too. Watch them get dim. And that's when the turn signal is going to test. There. Turn signals.
Turn
Light
signals.
on the license plate. When I started driving, every trailer I got, this light didn't work. Every trailer. It was the truck. It would make a short
Ah,
and burn it out. Every time I hooked up with my wire.
so something was wrong with your truck, but not with the trailer. Ah, yeah. Seems to be nice. Everything is fine.
That's a load bar.
Oh, this one looks really ugly, honestly. Ah, you are going to take this
I'm
strap?
not taking this.
No?
When I carry just the straps, one strap. You always have to have 3 or 4 with you. I think I've only got 3 right now. Okay. My mouth is full.
We will have our first German lesson now. Please say Zahnbrüste.
Zahnbürste.
Exactly.
Toothbrush
Yes, here we go.
or bosom.
Oh,
Which one?
okay, you got it, man.
Zahnbürste.
Not almost. You have to say Zahnbürste.
Oh, Bürste.
Yes. Oh my
Put the
God.
R in the wrong place. I didn't know.
Like a germ, huh?
Zahnbürste.
Or,
How do you spell it?
oh, you want me to spell it?
Yeah,
Really?
B.
This is Z-A-H-N
Yeah.
B-U
U
R
R
S
S
T E. That's it.
E. Nothing else.
Zahnbürste, nothing else.
Bürste.
Yeah, because
And no
the
umlaut.
the E at the end of the Zahn sounds like a A or
Okay.
Some of them would spell it like Zahnbürste.
I thought there was an R on the end.
No.
Oh, just So it's not Bürste.
Zahnbürste.
Bürste.
Bürste. Ah.
Okay, I see
It
now.
sounds a little bit like Würste.
Yeah.
Say Würste.
Bürste.
Würste.
Yeah.
Or please say Würstchen.
Würstchen. Little sausage.
Yes, you got it, man.
If I can write it, like I can see the letters, then I get it a lot better. I don't well, but if it's written, then I get it fast, and I remember it better if I can write it, you know?
There's another word for Bürste. It's called Haarbürste. Haar. Die Haare.
Haare. Yeah,
Haare.
your hairbrush?
Yes, hairbrush.
Haarbürste. So
Haarbürste.
Bürste is a brush.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Got it.
35. Slow down.
Oh, 35. Only 35.
It's amazing.
Oh, how slow.
Zahnbürste. Haarbürste. Toothbrush. Hairbrush.
Nagelbürste.
Nagel.
Nagel. Say Nagel. Come on.
Nagelbürste.
Nagelbürste.
It's a nagel.
It's a nail.
Nail.
So
Oh, your fingernails.
fingernails.
Nagel. Finger.
Oh, nice.
Nagelbürste. Okay, good one.
Das sind die.
Look at this.
Yeah?
This is
White
like an old western town. You see that?
horses, yes.
Like a saloon.
Should we go and enter this saloon?
Yeah, the covered walkways.
And have a beer.
Bier, bitte.
Bier. Bringen Sie mir bitte ein Bier.
Bringen Sie mir bitte ein Bier.
Ein großes Bier.
Ein großes Bier. What's waiter? What's the waiter?
The waiter is the Kellner.
Kellner. Yep. Kellner.
In a nice restaurant, or in an expensive restaurant, you wouldn't say Kellner, hey Kellner. You would say Herr Ober.
Yeah, Ober.
Please
That's like
come.
the top guy.
Yeah, this is a like top guy restaurant.
Number one. Oh. You want to go in there? See if we
Why?
get in there and take a little break?
Do you think so?
I think we've been going more than 3 hours.
Ah, okay.
It's been 3.5 hours since
Okay.
we stopped. You
I
don't,
see.
you
You
don't
okay?
feel it at all?
Yeah. So let's have a break.
Listen, you.
Next lesson later.
Später.
Später. Exactly.
Hope you enjoyed that video for day 5 with Ferdinand on board, and today a little German lesson and a little wordplay. Anyone out there who speaks German, I think you caught on. Anyway, listen, we hope you enjoyed the video. Do give it a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below. Do you carry a certain number of straps with you? Do you pick them up out of other trailers when you see them? And also, how's your German? Or do you spend time on the truck learning any other language? So let us know in the comments. And if you haven't done so yet and you like traveling with us, do subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell if you want to know when we put up new videos. And of course, have a fantastic day. With love from Kevin, Tanya, and Ferdinand. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Tschüss.